She's like, game has it.
What's the trigger for it?
I don't know. You have to push it, I think.
Maybe we have to attack it. That's the first time I attacked it. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Watch out. Breath, breath, breath. Okay, it's counting now. Okay, get ready. Hogging.
Keep going, keep going.
Jeez. He smacked me while I was in hog. I don't get it. Why is that even possible? I don't get it. Let's just go ahead and go. We'll burn at 2 bar.
Alright.
Hog's still 60 seconds. Facing. Jeez. Wow, I know what that skill is now. It's shield blow. Yeah, shield blow. Shield charge.
Yeah, it is shield blows. It is shield charge.
Yeah.
What about that?
This guy's just a paladin and priest.
BV's on you. Oh, oh.
It's better to stand on the side, I think. It's not on me. It's better to stand on the side and then run to it. Run through it. Actually, okay, let's burn after it charges or something. My hog's up. Oh. It's okay. Okay, save it then. Yeah, try to stand on the side of it, and then when you see the laser come out, you just run through it. Yeah. It's not me again.
Oh god.
This way, this
It's not on me again. Come. Who is it? Oh, okay.
I only
Oh,
sent
I
out
see, I
2.
see. Fire.
Should have saved that sunshine spark, damn. Forgot about that thing. What?
Whoa, who?
My summon's not even out.
I think it was you, right, VV? I didn't. Be in touch. I saw someone like just go ham.
I didn't get
fire.
to touch it either.
I'm gonna hog.
It was that wise talisman. Whoa! Wise with magic damage, nice.
Okay, I think next time we should actually get ready to burn, like turn everything on, and then burn through the bar when he's shield charging because he did, because that's like a time frame. Oh yeah, yeah, that makes sense too. Yeah, you're right. The cooldown one, but the cooldown's already good for Hog, right? Because my Hog is 2 minutes and yours is 2 minutes as well for 2.
Face me, cowards! Be done!
Stop. Nada. Nope. Nope, nope. Coco. Stomp.
Be safe.
Ah, damn, I couldn't fly up in time.
Be buried in life!
What is this guy doing? What the heck was that about? Come, baby. Come, come, come. Phoebe! Phoebe, since you're dead, can you check what that talisman is for me? The wise one.
It's magic damage does that.
Oh.
Cover here.
Okay, it's okay. I don't need that. I'm Hog. Get out, Coco!
You're welcome.
What? Come on, Coco.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Multitasking.
Yeah, and I'm dead. I'm gonna res after. Stomp. Watch out for Stomp. I'm gonna res after the mech. Strong attack for this thing.
I'm gonna rest after this.
Be blessed!
Oh, at least Hog's up.
Be with us! Until
Cover here. You're welcome.
Mark,
Coco.
getting out. Not on me, because I just rest.
be blessed! Be with us! May the goddess watch over.
Think.
Strength.
Slow.
Goddess protect me.
Oh damn, I'm gonna get stopped. Nope.
Mark again.
Getting out. Oh god, I can't get out, I think. I got out.
Stomp. It's life. No, 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 no. Do you take more damage if your weapon's stashed? I never knew.
Be safe. Power up.
Ooh, the small tornado though.
Oh my god. It's not
Are you
the...
fucking serious, man? This last bar.
I thought it was the mech. I wasted my hog.
Goddess watch over.
How much magic damage is on that talisman? 72?
256 or something like that.
Oh my god, magic damage?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, VV, are you by that?
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Yeah, I do actually.
Oh,
Oh.
then he's gonna do the mechanic again. I don't like this spell sweat.
It's fine as long as it's not on me. It's on Alex. Was it a critical one? Stomp after
She has the
this.
same one as I do.
Disney mech. Oh no. What
It's
is
not
this?
mech. I don't know, just DPS.
Where are you, VV? You got him.
That's mech.
VV, maybe you can detonate it.
I don't think so.
You never know, right? Or you can't. Cause you can just detonate random mechs. Hogs up in 15 seconds. It should be up by the next center mech. Yeah. Center mech.
You're welcome.
Hog, come on.
It's okay, I essentially sparked for you.
Thank you. The damage is so different. The magnifying glasses again.
This is the fastest run.
What's our time? What's our time?
Me too.
Oh, nice. Junk.
Wow,
Junk.
junk.
Okay, let's just finish our last one, yeah?